this was the time between 2012 and 15. I had almost been cast in 5 films, which the directors really wanted to cast me in those films. All 5 of them didn't work out because the producers had said that, she's not sellable enough. And Nandita had to fight with many producers to keep me as Safiya Manto in her film, and she did that for me.
I realized much later that suddenly I felt very weighed down. And मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मेरी why am I feeling like this? It is not me and my problems. This is Golu, and I need to let her go.
I started speaking to a therapist during the lockdown. I started making this as an exercise that I would talk about the script with her, and she'll give me all these things. Then I'll shoot, and the show comes out, and I'll wait for her conversation.
I think I've done a lot of independent films, and I was very excited to do them as a performer, but I had begun to feel disappointed by the kind of reach that they had.
Hi guys, welcome to The Quaint, and thank you for making the time. There's a dialogue, a very popular dialogue from Sholay that says, Holi kab hai? I feel Mirzapur kab aayega is really an equivalent to that now.
That's awesome.
Wow.
Do you guys think so?
Yeah, it's an iconic. Yeah.
So taking off from there, when you guys set foot on the sets of Mirzapur on day 1, do you remember what that felt like?
I remember my first scene, in fact, was the first day of shoot for Mirzapur season 1.
Oh, okay.
And it was, हम लोग गज्जू मल कॉलेज में शूट कर रहे थे. And it is that scene जहाँ पे स्वीटी बैडमिंटन खेल रही है and मुन्ना आता है और कहता है कि तुम्हें लेके जाता है डेट पे. And I remember that as Golu, I was sitting over there still trying to figure out ये बात कैसे करती है, ये सुन कैसे रही है, समझ क्या रही है, बोल कैसे रही है.
I walked in season 2, so when I went to the set, I felt like, oh good, so this is the set that I've seen. I've seen the season 1, and I've seen all these characters in their outfits and stuff. I was like, I'm now getting to see behind the scenes of how they created season 1, and of course, I was very fascinated by the idea of doing this double role. I just felt like a boy who loved the show is now being part of the show, and that was a good feeling.
I'm struggling to remember which scene it was that I shot first, but all my scenes are in the Tripathi house. Everybody who walked out of the 8 days that we had on that set walked out looking like they had had a severely dark experience because it was like that. Like I remember there was one point in that Haveli where we were shooting two different scenes in 2 different rooms, and you could hear the sound of the scene from one room into the other. So we had to sort of match our timing such that when they were in between action and cut, we were not, and we were silent. And just the sounds from both those rooms were horrific. It was terrible. I remember Divyendu saying to me once, I was hanging out with him in between shots, and he said, "Yaar, कुछ ज़्यादा ही dark नहीं हो रहा."
And I remember season 2 के end में when you see Guddu and Golu reach the Haveli, I was very excited because I wanted to see कि त्रिपाठी Haveli में अंदर क्या और कैसा लगता है, and it was all of that and more.
Yeah.
The show, of course, has added a lot to all your lives, right? So when you look back at the show, what's that one thing you think the show has given you professionally?
2 very big things that it's given me, and I'm only realizing this as I'm answering your question, is one is that it's given me access to a wider audience, which has been a big blessing. I think I've done a lot of independent films, and I was very excited to do them as a performer, but I had begun to feel disappointed by the kind of reach that they had. I'd done a beautiful film called Kissa, which till date, I feel I wish it had released in more theaters than it did. So I think that's one big thing that's really given me an opportunity to showcase my versatility. And that doesn't happen often enough. And you don't get cast in roles that you don't stereotypically fit. And I think this was one moment for me where I was cast against type. And I'm so grateful for that.
I felt like the amount of love that I've received for this show is unparalleled, and I say it with a lot of humility that this show has probably the widest reach that I've experienced in my 10-year career. Another thing that it gave me is a very specific pop culture moment that it brought to all of our life, and it's probably the most memed, most spoken show, and I look forward to every event, every trailer, every episode, because उसमें से जनता क्या-क्या मीम निकालेगी. I'm very excited about that.
After Haramkhor, after Masan, सब लोग मुझसे बहुत पूछते थे कि when will you do something commercial? So I think this is my answer to all those people.
It's a show that you'll have lived with for a while, you from season 2 onwards, of course. When there's a gap and when you're coming back to kind of essay a character that you are in this show, does it feel like you're coming home and it's easy to kind of get into the character, or does it feel a little bit like, okay, it's going to take me some time to settle into it?
The getting in is very smooth.
Hmm.
It doesn't feel like a lot of effort goes into it, but sometimes what you're doing in this particular season can be a bit tough.
Hmm.
That can be difficult to crack. So that requires a bit of a learning curve. But as soon as I wear that white shirt, that brown
Mhm.
waistcoat, and those pants, and this tie my hair into a ponytail, I am smoothly into the process.
You're all there.
Yeah, I'm all
Yeah.
set.
I think there are two things that help me the most. One is costume. Golu ka definitely the costume, that scar, and my playlist.
Hmm.
Because Golu ki playlist hai, which is not the songs that Golu would listen to, but it is full of songs that would put me in that zone. So there is a lot of metal, there is a lot of aggression in the songs. There's also feeling of loss, shame, anger.
Yeah.
So wo main, I feel very charged, no
Right.
matter what the scene might be. And then us playlist mein I pick and choose ki kaun sa scene hai, fir uske hisab se I change the song.
Hmm.
So I think all that, and okay, the third thing is the cast and crew. Because एक जो energy होती है on set and off set, where everybody is trying to help each other, even if you're not in the same scenes.
I think it's mixed feelings for me, really, because when you approach a character for a subsequent season, I am really confused about how much to remember. It's a strange experience, actually, because you've already watched yourself in this show as opposed to just being a part
Right.
of it, which are two completely different experiences. So I don't want, I am always nervous that I'm too conscious of what I've seen myself do. And therefore, I don't want to want the subsequent season's performance to become a mimicry of what I've seen and remembered as an audience. But at the same time, I need to remember where I came from also.
Yeah.
So those are things which kind of
Very
make
interesting.
me nervous every time I'm on set. I don't watch the previous season before going to shoot for the next season at all.
Okay.
And I don't know if that's a smart decision or not, because there are many things I don't remember, which I should.
But
They're-
they're very keen. They have a very keen eye, the makers. They remember.
They
Mm.
Yeah.
And that's what I was just coming to. That
Yeah.
Gurmeet is the constant through
Yeah.
3 seasons, and God knows what I would have done without him. So there were just these times that I would turn to him on set and say, Bina ho raha hai na. So he would be like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
In fact, just at the season 3 shoot se pehle, so I did a rewatch of my scenes mainly, देखने के लिए body language क्या थी. And the thing is कि as actors हमारी तो hopefully growth हो रही है, हम समझ रहे हैं, evolve हो रहे हैं. And I saw something that Golu did, which I don't agree with now. But now you can't go back and change. So now once you've committed to that, you have to commit to a certain thing. I was like, oh my God. So then the fun is to make that work as well. Because now that is a part of the character, which you thought that time was right.
So that also comes as an evolution as a person, I would like to think,
Yeah.
if you think a character that you disagree with.
There are some moments that I think I would like to change, but I don't beat myself about that. कि मतलब अगर वो है, now take that learning and make sure that वो complain अब आपको अपने से इस बार ना.
I just have one last question before we go. You know, in our lives, we have these moments where we kind of get to show a lot of resilience, strength. And those are the moments in our lives that kind of show us that, oh, we didn't know that we had it in us to overcome anything that life throws at us, right? Is there a moment like this that comes to your mind, whether it's personal or whether it's professional, that you feel like you were at your resilient best and you came out shining on the other side?
I think having the conviction in yourself is very important, and that conviction will be questioned. And one day you wake up and you feel like you're not convinced anymore with your own conviction, and then you battle with it. And
Yeah.
and a lot of work actually goes into making anything like Mirzapur. Sometimes, often I forget that the amount of work I have put in, and it may not be also be understood or seen, but it does something to me.
Mine, I would say, is it's the smaller wins which are very important. This had happened after I finished shooting for my first feature, which was Haramkhor. Haramkhor was shot before but released after Masaan. So after Haramkhor, I remember having a conversation with a therapist friend of mine. And I said कि हमारे पास actors के लिए एक therapy क्यों नहीं है? Like, why don't enough people talk about it? Because that time after the shoot, after the 16 days of shoot for Haramkhor, I went down a spiral of sorts and I had no idea what's happening to me.
Right.
फिर मैं भूल गई उसके बाद with none of the characters वो नहीं हुआ. After season 2 Mirzapur, I realized much later that suddenly I felt very weighed down. And मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मेरी why am I feeling like this? तब CA protest भी हो रहे थे. मुझे लगा कि maybe with the environment and the political climate, maybe that has an effect on me. And it's only much later when we were sitting at Baba's, हमारे जो DOP हैं, his place, and Divindu was there, and a few of us were there, and he started talking about that how Munna has influenced him
Yeah.
and his
Yes.
everyday.
He did speak largely about that. Yes, he
And
did.
that's when I realized, I was like, oh my God, it is not me and my problems. This is Golu. And I need to let her go. And I remember that moment very clearly. I was sitting in my bed and suddenly I felt a shadow lift off me. So I thought I'll handle it better in season 3. Cut to which you will see there are some very dark spaces that we've been. So, wahan
Like
pe-
handcuffs and stuff.
yeah. So, बहुत ही dark था, and this time I thought I'll handle it better. Only to realize I have gone down the spiral yet again. And I was in Banaras, middle of the shoot, my bed पे लेटी हुई थी. And I was like, this is not me.
Yeah.
This is Golu. I ran for a shower, then spoke to another therapist and spoke to her about understood what to do, what not to do. And I think, so the win is understanding there is a problem. And it's important to speak to people that you respect, who might give you answers or also who might not give you answers, because it's just important to talk and
Yeah.
share.
Which you haven't you experienced this ever because you play such dark characters.
Yeah.
You know,
You've
in
never-
Kalkut, in fact, I remember I called him up because Kalkut
Yeah.
is such a dark show,
Absolutely.
brilliantly written and
Yeah.
drawn.
I love that
And I was
show.
worried,
Me too.
yeah.
Me too.
And I messaged him and called him, are you okay? Because वो बहुत
Have
ही
you
ऐसा
ever-
character है यार.
Have you ever
I
experienced
don't
something?
know. I think I might be carrying a lot of that stuff with me.
Yes.
Although when I play all these psychotic, twisted minds, and often they have certain kind of a symptom, some kind of a psychotic symptom. Like Be Hit the Heart, who was a psychopath, or Darlings, who's an alcoholic and a certain kind of a personality, and She, which was. So I kept playing these characters. And because I started speaking to a therapist during the lockdown, I started making this an exercise that I would talk about the script with her, and she'll give me all these things. Then I'll shoot, and the show comes out, and I'll wait for her conversation. I'll ask her, and she'll be like, "That thing you did is a proper alcoholic behavior. That thing you did was personally. This is how they pursue." And she uses all those technical terms
Yeah.
that I don't remember, but my
Nice.
feedback comes from my therapist.
There was a time between I'd done a film called Kissa and then Manto. And there was a time in between those two films where I had almost been cast in 5 films, which the directors really wanted to cast me in those films. And we had begun conversations and they'd gone somewhere, but at some stage, all 5 of them didn't work out because the producers had said that, she's not sellable enough. This was the time between 2012 and 15. I think I really felt very out of
Yeah.
it then, because I was like, what can I now do to change this around for myself? Because I had come to this industry with the idea that I'll just do what I have to do as a performer, and I'll find my way and it'll all work out. And I had been advised many things, and I said I will ignore all of that because I just can't do it. I can't strategize like that. I'll just go with trying to prove myself as a performer, trying to explore as a performer, and then see where that takes me. I just needed that one person who would trust me and who would just, I didn't know what the best way to deal with this was, but I just survived. I just sort of said, okay, I'll still continue to do what I have to do. And then Manto came along, and Nandita had to fight with many producers to keep me as Safiya Manto in her film. And she did that for me. And fortunately, that changed around. But I think those 3 years was an exercise in resilience.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sounds like it, and I'm sure it'll never happen again because now there are too many people gunning for you. Right?
Hopefully.
Thank you so much, you guys, and good luck for the show.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. It was a pleasure talking to you guys.